Hello viewers, today I'll discuss about how to manually extract data from a WPress zip, and sometimes we need to do migration, and we need to extract data from WPress zip, and this is very hard, and this tutorial show you easily how can you easily can extract data from it. First, keep the extractor and your wpress file in the same folder under Cpanel. As you see, I make a folder like this, and I will keep extractor.exe and the wpress zip file here. So then I have to enter in that directory. I'll show you how to first you have to click right button, then then click edit address and see, and first you don't forget to CMD, and you run it like run as an administrator, and then you will just CD and put it the address, and you will enter inside it. So next you have to run this command wp-extractor, this one, and your the wpress file name. This is the wpress your file name. So I will do that. So I will just copy. I will give this text below my video, so you can do it easily. So like this one, yes. Then you just click enter, and you will see all data will be extracted here. It is extracted in here, and you will see that. Okay, it takes few seconds. Okay, it is done. As you see, all data extracted. This is how you can easily manually extract data from a WPress zip. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.